Hi guys, so today I'm gonna look in how to use a spacer device. So first let me show you all the steps how to use a spacer device. These are the steps how you use a spacer device. Let me show you all by each slide how you use a spacer device. First, you remove the cap of the spacer device. Then shake the inhaler. Then you take that inhaler and insert it to the mouthpiece of the spacer. Then you place the spacer between your tooth, like you place it like you placed your inhaler. Then you press the canister once to release a dose of the drug. Then you hold the breath for about 10 seconds, then breathe out through the mouth. You can breathe in again, but then do not press the canister. Then you remove the device from the mouth after you have used your inhaler. Make sure you check if you're using the right inhaler before you use it, and you check the expiry before using it. And do not forget to prime your inhaler before using it. I hope you know how do you prime your inhaler, like I said in my previous video. And do check if the seal is broken or not. Those are the main important things you should check before you use your inhaler. Lastly, you rinse your mouth after using the inhaler. And if you want to use for the next dose, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before you use your second dose. Thank you, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you liked my video, please do comment below, subscribe and like and share my video. And if you want to get in touch with my social websites, these are the links. Please do get in touch to know more details about pharmacy and my daily vlogs. Thank you.